This is some of the dirt that I dug up from over here at this hole. Basically, it's clay with a tiny bit of whatever remaining topsoil was there. This is some brown material from my compost as I was cleaning out. So I'm going to combine this clay mixture with some compost, add some coffee grounds, and then let it percolate in a trash can for a while and see what we get. Cocoa brick is something really good to use for helping out with clay soil. What you do if you never had one is you're going to let it soak in water, and then you'll amend it with my mix that I talked about. Okay, so this is a raised bed with some okra that I just recently planted, and talk about how I got that soil there. So I always have compost, good compost. You can look at other videos about how to make this great compost. I ended up getting some of this cocoa coir out of somebody that was just going to throw it away, so I took it. And then I always have a little extra dirt of some kind. Sometimes it's something I buy, sometimes it's something that I've gotten from another project, but a little dirt is always around in one of my tubs. So that dirt is there, and then I just simply pour compost in there. And this time I'm going to take some of this cocoa, break it up, put it in there, and then when I have another bag of dirt or a bucket of dirt or whatever, I'll do that, and then I just mix it all up, and then eventually I'll have a really nice soil for my plants.